Facebook marketing? Learn how to build a successful Facebook marketing plan that includes a chatbot. What is Facebook marketing? Facebook marketing is a platform that allows businesses to sell their products and services to a large audience through a combination of highly targeted paid advertising and organic postings. Why is Facebook good for marketing? Social media, emails, messengers, search engines, SMS, online push notifications, and other methods for creating communication with the audience are all available through digital marketing. Let's take a deeper look at the reasons why you should consider using Facebook to build your business. It has global coverage. Over 1.5 billion users visit Facebook daily, provides sponsored advertisements that are highly targeted. You may target a specific audience with Facebook ads based on gender, age, location, job title, hobbies, whatever demographical or behavioral data that people freely provide with Facebook. It enables organic reach. If you don't have the budget for Facebook ads, you may still create connections organically by providing content that people would find useful on your Facebook page. It's possible to connect it to other marketing channels. Facebook marketing isn't a standalone operation. You may use it in conjunction with other marketing channels such as email marketing, mobile marketing, search engine marketing, and Facebook Messenger advertisements to create a promotion mix that will broaden your brand's reach. Benefits of Facebook marketing. Targeting that is precise. You probably already know that Facebook allows you to segment your audience in a variety of ways, but let's take a deeper look at the possibilities. Web traffic has increased. You may lead visitors to your website using this platform. Furthermore, because these individuals are already familiar with your brand, they will be higher quality leads than those that arrive on your site organically. As a result, you have a higher level of trustworthiness with them. A wide range of ad formats are available. Businesses may make use of Facebook's fantastic chances to promote their items from all aspects. On this platform, ads are available in both text and graphic formats. Turn your post into an ad, create tales to highlight your behind the scenes, create a slideshow of your new collection, utilize carousel advertisements to show up to 10 goods with links to the relevant sites, and so on. Customer service. Many consumers prefer to interact with brands through social media. The days of making phone calls are long gone. Create a Facebook Messenger chatbot to engage with people based on their most frequently asked questions, keywords. They might be things like pricing, delivery, payment choices, buy, book, and so on. As a consequence, your support personnel will have more time to focus on more complex issues, and mundane activities will be automated. SEO will benefit from this. Some marketers argue that social media has an impact on search engine results. It's said that when ranking, robots use the information you provide in the About section. Furthermore, your social media participation is very important. Shares, likes, and comments show Google that people care about and connect with your brand.